In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto rotation. First of all, go into Tab menu by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen twice. That was the first one, and now a second one. Then look for Lock Orientation shortcut. When you find it, tap on it. As you can see, mine turned grey and padlock opened. That means that auto rotation is on because your screen is no longer locked in this orientation. To disable auto rotate, click on the same shortcut until it's blue with a close padlock. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!